Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, where we are hosting a St. Patrick's Day virtual parade. And what we're asking, it is call it a collaboration. We're inviting you to send in 20 seconds of your own dolls, big or small, just tiny, doesn't matter. Anything in between, bigger or smaller, we don't care. Any doll you have either entered in a parade or watching a parade, and just 20 seconds, move your camera, give the parade a little motion. It could be an entry into the parade, or it can be your dolls watching a parade. You don't have to add music or your name. Don't add anything. You just send it in. Darren's going to take care of all of that. And what you're going to get is a shout out. And in the shout out, your name's going to be flashed across the screen. Darren's going to put that in. You don't have to do that so that everybody's looks the same. And we're going to put a link to your channel in the description when we have the parade. That's my cat coming out of the shut bathroom door. I have some ideas of how you can dress your dolls for the parade if you choose to. You do not have to dress them up if you don't want to, but it is cuter if they're wearing like a green or St. Patrick's Day. I got these two little LOL dolls, these miniature LOL dolls, free from a thrift store. They did not have clothes or shoes. Shoes I'm still working on, but the little outfits are reversible. And I wanted to show you, I did St. Patrick's and Easter. Let me turn this one around, and then let me turn this one around. Darren made these stands. The top part in green wasn't ready before we were ready to film the video. What you don't know is this is a hidden giveaway, and we are giving away one of the little stands, this little blue one here, with two doll hooks so that you could use it for whatever tiny dolls you want to use it for. This one is kind of made for the LOL doll. The other is made for the little Blyce. And then our hidden giveaways, that goes out to a subscriber that leaves a comment and a like. But this is how we made the LOL doll reversible dress, and there will be a pattern on our website. Okay, what I did is I took I don't know if you can see that, I took this pattern from my mini Blythe dolls. The dresses that I made them, I tried on the LOL dolls, the miniature LOL dolls. And it fit, but it was long all the way down. So what I did is I took this pattern and I cut it down so that it's shorter. Now, to make this pattern without the Blythe doll, what you're going to do is lay your doll down. This one's better. It doesn't have the hair. Let me show you with this one. Lay your doll down on a piece of paper and just make a, circle that out at the neck and wherever, however long you want that to be. Now you're going to cut armholes in that. So you want to move that neck piece down before you cut that out. And then we're going to make this reversible. So let me show you what we're going to do. We are going to take this pattern. You know all those little pieces. I always tell you that when you have little pieces of scrap fabric, when you've cut out a bigger pattern, or even a small one, save all the small pieces, because this is when you're going to use them. Look what a small area of fabric that I need. I mean, I just don't need much at all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this like this, because to start with, all right, we're going to use Wonder Under. And so you're going to cut a piece of this down to your pattern. And the reason you cut the pattern is because you want this piece of Wonder Under smaller than your fabric. And you take the side that has texture to it and you put that to the back of your fabric. Now see, I've got some sticking out, and what I want to do is cut that away without making it too small for the pattern. And then you iron that, and you want that, like I said, on the back side. Oh, let me move that up. Last time I did this, I said, be sure it fits, and then it didn't, and it was all over my towel. And you want a good hot iron, and you just work that back and forth. And what this is going to do is not only make your dress reversible, you have to wait for that to cool a minute, but also finish your edges. You won't have to sew your edges if you use the Wonder Under. And then you just put your pattern right on there and cut it out. All right, once you cut that out, you're done with your pattern. You can set that to the side, and then you peel off the back of the Wonder Under. And then again, you need a small print. Now, I am not crazy about what I'm going to use, but it's what I have, and in today's world right now, beggars can't be choosers. I like this fabric. Make no mistake what I'm saying. Now see, I'll be able to use the very edge of this fabric. I like this fabric, and I like it a lot. It is just that I wish it were smaller printed for these little dolls. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this egg, this Easter egg right here, and see if that won't fit in the middle of my little dress. Yep. Let's see if there's a better one. No, that's about the best. Okay. And then I'm going to cut this just loosely and take it back over to the iron. Iron these two together and then cut that out to match my front St. Patrick's Day fabric. Okay, to make a little bow, you take your ribbon and you make a bigger bow. You've seen me do, some of you have seen me do this before. And I do the bunny ears that you pass around because they make a prettier, smaller bow. But you can do it any way you want. It's not crucial. I also wanted to tell you that Darren is going to make a pattern to have on my website at dollsrescued.com for that miniature LOL doll dress. The pattern will be on our website. See how I just kept working that down? You do need to tighten it. Bringing it down, bringing it down.
And the link will be down below in the description.
Yeah, the link for the little pattern will be on our website. Thank you, Darren. I'm not techie. He does all of that. We will not add this yet, but this little ribbon will go right here. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is cut the arms. Where did I put those? Okay. So the first one, how far down does that go? You go down about a 1/4 inch. And I put my other scissors away. Let's see if we can use these. Go down about a 1/4 inch, 1/8 of an inch to a 1/4 inch. Put your little armholes in. See that? And then you hold that up to your doll, or even put your doll's arm within, and figure out your second arm. And see how I'm lining up the neck when I get ready to cut that? And then I want to match it up with this one as best I can. Sometimes that works real well. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, that needs to be a little fatter. Take a small amount off rather than a large amount. It's better to go back and add to it. And then check it out. Make sure it fits before you take this to the sewing machine. And you do need to kind of squish their arms together when you dress them. And then slide this up. There you go. And when this is done, that'll have a little ribbon there. And then what you do on the back is you take a small piece of Velcro and you put one side on one side of your reversible dress and the other on the other side of your reversible dress, and then that'll close on both sides. And then what we're going to do, that'd be cute on that side too, but I'm not going to put one on each side. I'm only going to put it on the one. I'm going to sew these down. I'm going to come back and we will hot glue that ribbon in the middle on this side, and our dress will be done. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. We really appreciate it if you drop us a like, a comment, and subscribe.